Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine. Great.
Okay. So today we will be studying commerce. Are you able to see my screen, children?
Ma'am is showing. Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, okay. So let me start by asking you a few questions. If you know the answers, just answer them in full statements. Okay.
Okay, got it.
So tell me why people do business.
People do business to earn money or profit.
Very good. And does a businessman always earns profit?
No, sometimes businessmen also suffer losses.
Okay. Can loss be calculated before starting business?
No, losses is always like certain,
Certain or
uncertain,
uncertain?
uncertain.
Right, it's uncertain. Very good. And the owner has to bear this uncertainty, right? So, this
Yeah.
capacity of owner is called what to bear the uncertainty?
The capacity to bear loss is risk-bearing capacity of owner.
Very good. And how can risk be minimized?
Sorry, ma'am, I don't.
Okay, don't worry. So, today we are going to study about insurance. You must have heard of the term insurance. We will study
Yeah.
about it today. Okay.
Okay.
So, you first tell me that how can loss and risk be overcome?
Loss and risk can be overcome by earning profit, taking insurance.
Yes, very good. Now tell me what is insurance then?
Insurance is a contract between two parties.
Very good. So I will tell you in detail what insurance is. Insurance
Okay.
is a means of protection of financial loss. It is a legal agreement between two parties, the insurer and the insured, where the insurance company promises to compensate for financial loss. The insured person has to pay a sum of money as premium. You must have heard we have to pay insurance premium. So people
Yeah.
pay premium to insurance company and the insurance company covers them for their financial loss. Okay?
Okay.
Have you understood what is insurance?
Yeah. Completely.
Okay, very good. So next we will study about types of insurance. But before that, let me ask you, is insurance done only for business losses, business houses?
No, it is not only for business houses.
Okay. And what are the types of general insurance? Have you ever heard about them?
No, I don't really
What
know
types
about it.
of insurance? Okay. Huh? You don't. Mainly, children, there are two types of insurance. One is life insurance and one is general
Yeah.
insurance. Life insurance, as the name suggests, it's a contract between insurance policy holder and insurance company where the insurer promises to pay a sum of money in exchange of premium upon the death of insured or after set period. Means this type of insurance is basically for the life of a person. That if a person dies, the insurance company will pay to the survivor, the whosoever is the this thing recipient and his family, or there are certain terms and conditions said that after a particular period it will be paid. Okay. And the
Yeah.
next type is general insurance. Any insurance that is not determined to be life insurance. As simple as that. If one is insurance, is life insurance. And if it is not life insurance, then it has to be general insurance. Okay?
Yeah. Got it.
Okay. So let's move further. Now you tell me ki how many parties are involved in insurance?
Generally, two parties are involved in insurance.
Very good. And do you know about the types of general insurance?
No, ma'am, I haven't heard it.
Okay, I will tell you, don't worry. So, insurance contracts that do not come under the ambit of life insurance are called general insurance, as we have discussed already. And there are
Yeah,
types
ma'am.
of general insurance. They are motor insurance. All of us take insurance for a car, scooter, bike, all that come under motor insurance. Fire
Yeah.
insurance, when there are very big business houses, they have inventory, they have go downs, they keep material there, they take fire insurance to protect their goods, right? Third is health
Yeah.
insurance, which is very important these days People take the health insurance so that once they reach hospitals, the insurance company can directly pay their bills and they do not suffer the loss. Fourth is
Yeah.
marine insurance. Generally, goods are transported from one country to another. The trade happens and via ship route. So there are chances of some kind of loss to the goods. Those are all covered by marine insurance. I'm sure you must have heard these terms before.
Yeah, ma'am, little bit.
Okay, very good. So we will move further now.
Okay.
You tell me, who is insurer?
Insurance company is the insurer.
Very good. And what are the characteristics of insurance?
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know.
Don't worry, I will let you know. The following are the characteristics of insurance. One is it is a contract. It is a contract between two parties, the insurer and the insured. Okay.
Yeah.
Secondly, it is undertaking of risk. Insurance means there has to be a risk involved. No risk, no insurance. चाहे वो लाइफ का रिस्क हो, चाहे वो आपकी हेल्थ का रिस्क हो, there has to be some risk. It's a
Okay.
cooperative device. Cooperative device means 100 people might take insurance, but उसकी जरूरत सिर्फ एक को ही पड़ सकती है, लेकिन पैसा 100 को देना पड़ेगा. Hence, it is a cooperative device.
Yeah.
100 people will give, one person might use it. And what those
Okay.
100 people give is called premium. Okay, everybody has to pay
Yeah.
premium to the insurance company. And most important is it is providing protection. The main purpose of insurance is to provide protection to the insured, right?
Yeah.
So have you understood till now?
Yeah, ma'am, completely.
Okay. Now I will be asking you a few questions. You have to answer those questions. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you mean by insurance?
Ma'am, insurance is a means of protection for financial losses.
Very good. And which two parties are involved in insurance?
Insurer and insured are the two parties involved in insurance.
Very good. And what is the consideration paid by insured called?
The consideration paid by insurance is called premium.
Very good. We pay premium for the insurance we take, right?
Yeah.
What are the types of insurance?
There are two type of insurance. First one is general insurance and life insurance.
Very good. And what are the types of general insurance?
The types of general insurance are health insurance, fire insurance, motor insurance, and marine insurance.
Very, very good. And let us now have some short questions. And you just have to tell me true or false, okay?
Okay.
There are three parties in the contract of insurance. Is it true or false?
False statement.
Premium is paid as a consideration by insured to insurance company.
True.
Very good. General insurance covers life of a person.
False.
Fire insurance is type of a general insurance.
True.
And financial protection to family after death of a person is given under life insurance.
True.
Okay, very good. So we have learned this chapter. Now please take out your copies and note down the homework. You have to write down what do you mean by insurance and you have to write its characteristics. Okay, children? Hope
Yeah,
you understood the topic.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for being with me. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.